The law of attraction promises to change your life by simply changing your thoughts. But is it fact, fiction, or truly foolproof? The law of attraction promises to change your life by simply changing your thoughts. But is it fact, fiction, or truly foolproof? In this video, we'll explore the science, misconceptions, and truths about the law of attraction to help you decide. The law of attraction is based on a simple idea: your thoughts create your reality. It suggests that by focusing on positive thoughts and intentions, you can attract success, love, and abundance into your life. But does it really work, or is it just wishful thinking? Let's dive in. While the law of attraction isn't backed by direct scientific evidence, its principles align with proven psychological concepts. For example, neuroscience shows that our thoughts shape our brain's neural pathways. This means that focusing on positive outcomes can train your brain to notice and act on opportunities that align with your goals. Similarly, the reticular activating system, or RAS, filters what you notice. If you program your mind to look for success, you're more likely to spot opportunities that lead you there. Here's where many people go wrong. The law of attraction isn't magic. It won't bring your dreams to life just because you think about them. Many people fall into the trap of believing they can simply wish for something without taking any action. The law of attraction works best when paired with action. Positive thinking sets the foundation, but it's your actions that turn those thoughts into reality. Another misconception is that negative thoughts completely block your desires. The truth is, occasional doubts are normal. What matters is consistently focusing your energy on what you want rather than what you fear. The law of attraction works best when paired with action. Positive thinking sets the foundation, but it's your actions that turn those thoughts into reality. For example, if you're manifesting a new job, you still need to apply, network, and prepare for interviews. The key is alignment, aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the outcome you desire. When you do this, you create a powerful energy that attracts opportunities and resources. While the law of attraction is a valuable tool, it's not foolproof. Life will still present challenges, and not every desire will manifest exactly as you envisioned. However, the process of focusing on what you want, staying positive, and taking action can bring incredible growth and unexpected opportunities. The real power of the law of attraction lies in shifting your mindset to one of possibility and abundance. This change alone can transform how you approach life. If you want to make the most of the law of attraction, here are 3 steps to follow. Define exactly what you want and why. Clarity focuses your energy and intentions. Take a few minutes daily to visualize your goal and feel the emotions of achieving it. This creates alignment between your mind and desires. Manifestation requires action. Look for opportunities, take steps toward your goals, and trust the process. The law of attraction isn't just about thinking positively. It's about creating a mindset and energy that align with your goals, paired with consistent action. Whether you call it fact, fiction, or foolproof, its principles can help you live a more intentional and abundant life. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the law of attraction? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on manifesting, mindset, and personal growth. Click the link below this video for more help with the law of attraction.